Magluluto tayo ng fried tofu for today's video. Too much oil. We'll drain it. Meron tayong spaghetti pasta. I'll make spaghetti with tomatoes. You'll see. Okay, mag-isa tayo ng bawang sibuyas at kamatis. There you go. Let's put the pasta. Mix na natin yung pasta. Pasta. Pwede na natin lahat. A little bit pepper. Try na natin with tomatoes. Pasta with tomatoes. Okay. Let's put butter. Little bit butter para may lasa at pampasarap. And then I mix this tofu. Wait, let me mix it first. Let me try this first. Okay, good. Lagyan natin ng tofu para lalong masarap. There you go. Pasta with tomatoes and tofu. Okay, for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Okay, put little bit soy sauce and liquid seasoning para lalong may lasa. Mix it well. Now looks good. Masarap siya. Let's eat. This is my pasta with tofu and tomatoes and soy sauce.